Good afternoon. We're very happy to be a part of this symposium and to share with you the findings of the 2018 North American Communication Monitor. This is the inaugural communication monitor. We plan to do this with some frequency. The project was organized and sponsored by the Planck Center for Leadership and Public Relations at the University of Alabama. Juan and I are on the board of directors of that center, and I serve as the research director for the center. As the inaugural year of the North American Communication Monitor, we plan for this to be a biennial, binational U.S. and Canada project focusing on exploring strategic communication practices in North America. The North American Communication Monitor is part of a global program, the Global Communication Monitor Series. Other communication monitors include the Asia Pacific Communication Monitor that began in 2015, the European Communication Monitor, which began in 2007, and the Latin America Communication Monitor that began in 2014.
This online survey questionnaire that we designed for the 2018 North American Communication Monitor project is a comprehensive study that we include 40 questions and plus 2 filter questions to ensure the respondents that we got are qualified respondents to fit the demographic parameter that we have defined. So we designed 6 major sections to be included in this study, including fake news and also how to deal with fake news, as well as strategic issues in the field and also the strategies to manage those issues, professional stress level and why they are stressed, and also professional social media and management skills and the characteristics of excellent communication department. And particularly in this year's Communication Monitor project that we integrated the leadership performance card developed by Planck Center into this study. Okay, so on this busy slide, I'm glad that we have 4 big screens in this room. So we'd like to share with you some very basic demographic profiles that we found through this online survey. So the questionnaire, we were able to recruit 1,020 professionals for this entire project. And the demographic showed that 75% of them actually working and living in the United States, and 25% of them are from Canada. The average age across the entire sample is 46 years old, and the gender distribution is equal, 50-50, across the entire sample with slight change within each country. The majority of respondents working in communication departments in corporations, private companies, government organizations, and also nonprofit organizations. And we have about 9.3% reported working as consultants, as freelance or for agencies. Our sample also showed 5 out of 10 respondents are holding a leadership position, either as head of communication, agency CEO, or unit leaders across the entire department or organization. 63.8% of the respondents have been working the profession for more than 10 years, and more than half of them, 53.8%, having a bachelor's degree, and about 22.8% reporting having a master's degree.
Overall, the 2018 North American Communication Monitor is a comprehensive project that investigates lots of aspects related to the practice of public relations, communication management, and strategic communication. The key trends we shared with you today are just a small fraction of our data analysis and results. There's already some data on the Planck Center website that's available to you. We know that the slides were somewhat difficult to read at a distance, so please take a look at them. Also available on the website, or they will be available on the website. And then as we continue to dive into the data, we'll be putting the full report on the website sometime early in 2019. The key trends, as I said, are only a small part. We invite you to follow the Planck Center and watch for the full report. Thank you for your time, and we welcome any questions or comments.